Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about PlayStation Network. PlayStation Network seems to be down right now as a lot of users are facing problems with different services over the PlayStation Network. They're unable to log in or play any of the games. So if we look at the status on the down detector, you can see a lot of reports being made recently regarding the outages of the PlayStation Network, and you can see a lot of people are talking about how they're not able to get into their PS4 or PS5. So that's happening right now. It's basically happening because of an unscheduled maintenance on the PSN network. So if you want to check the status, you can check over here. As you can see, some services are experiencing issues. So that is what's happening on the PlayStation network. It's basically an unscheduled maintenance going on as account management, gaming and social, PlayStation Now, PlayStation Video, Store, Direct, everything's down right now. They're facing different problems. If you want to get in, you can see what exactly is happening, and there you can see that it started around 11:34 p.m. So this is what's happening. You can check the details on each of the different problems. So if you're facing a particular problem, you could check the status of that over here. As per them, they are working to resolve the issue as soon as possible, but currently as of now there's no status over here as and when it will be fixed right now. So if you want to stay updated, you can go to Twitter and you can follow this account, Ask PlayStation. You can tag them in your tweets to get in touch as well, to get some frequent or swift response from the Ask PlayStation team. It's basically a customer support account for the PlayStation Network. So as you can see, a lot of people are talking about the outages on PlayStation Network right now on Twitter. So that's happening right now. It's basically because of this unscheduled maintenance. So hopefully this comes back up very soon. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified for any upcoming updated videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.